Hey, you guys. Hums Welly Peas just asked me out. Wait, I thought that guy was married. He is, but he's getting divorced. Ross, maybe you know him. Oh, yay.
Thanks, I'll put a lot of extra thought into your gift.
All right, so great, we can all go now. That is fun. Hey!
You know, my friends all think this is weird.
You know, I thought it was going to be weird. I mean, I almost called to cancel, but it really isn't.
I know. I mean, it's like me and your dad. That's a totally separate thing.
Oh.
This isn't about me. This is about you and all your weird relationship commitment crap.
Nuh-uh. I know you, okay? I know the thoughts that you have in your head.
Don't know everything. Did you know that I'm going out with Rachel tonight instead of you? And did you know that...
In English vocabulary we will learn the word, thought. It means, the product of mental activity, that which one thinks, a body of thought. Also means a single act or product of thinking, idea or notion, to collect one's thoughts. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce thought, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to thought. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how thought is used in real life.
Maybe she hasn't really thought it through that much.
I always thought that too. Tell me, what does your father do?
Why?
Well, her thought is, and I agree.
First time I met Chandler, I thought he was gay.
I was their firstborn. They thought she was barren. It's not my fault.
Yeah, I thought you knew that.
No.
This is back when I thought cash was still people.
Good, don't tell him.
Really? I thought you weren't even looking for something serious. I thought you were looking for some kind of fling.
All right, let me ask you this question. How many of you thought the music was fine, but not...
But we don't do that.
I know, I just thought it would be fun.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.